Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add your Lidl Plus card to Apple Wallet in 2026. So first of all, you need to understand that Lidl Plus does not officially support Apple Wallet directly. So you won't be able to see an add to wallet button inside the app. So first of all, you need to open your Lidl Plus app, then tap on the option of store card here on the top. As soon as you do this, you are going to see your personal barcode, and that's what you need to save. Now you need to take a clear screenshot of your Lidl Plus card barcode and then make sure that the barcode is fully visible and not blurry. Afterwards, you need to basically download the pass applications like Pass to You Wallet or Store Card. So as you can see, I've currently downloaded Pass to You Wallet. So when you are here inside the wallet, tap on this plus icon on the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now tap on the option of enter the barcode. Now you need to simply tap on the option of enter the barcode, or then you can just simply upload the screenshot as well and fill out the basic details like Lidl Plus. Then tap on the option of add to wallet. Now when you open your Apple Wallet and select Lidl card, you can scan it at the checkout just like the original app, and it works the same. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.